Michael, where are your ears? Can you say ears? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Very good. Where's your eyes? Good job. Where's your hair? Good job. Your head? Where are your hands? And your toes? Where are your feet? Are your feet down there someplace? Good job. Smell the other one. They smell good? Yeah?
Where's your belly? There's your belly.
Good job. Can you say ears? Say ears. Can you say ears? Can you flop them? Make them dance? Can you make them? No, make your ears dance. Where's your ears? One more time.
No.